Wrap Boss has been improved for 2016. Some of the improvements are in the graphic display of the preview to give us a more consistent and dependable performance. There's been a lot of work in the background with the SOLIDWORKS API to make this work. This example is a single complex set of loops pasted onto a single face. In this case, we no longer require a wrap surface to facilitate the projected. So we pick the face of the solid. The solid is selected by default. The preview drops on quicker, more dependably, and with less overhead. So now we have a single face with multiple bosses wrapped onto it. Next, we'll look at a new feature which is, in a limited case, the projected sketch will be projected to the solid at multiple faces. So rather than working with a convenient single face, we now have many small patches. So our goal is to create a rectangular area underneath where the wrap will occur, and we'll see if the tool can create its own projected surface and work. So the preview indicates that we have a successful projection, and so now we have a boss that has its own underlying projected surface, which is done automatically for the user. In the extreme case, which is where we started working, we have many shards or individual faces here. They will all need to be selected because this large wrap will be dropped onto them. In addition to that, we will have to have a pre-created projection surface. We'll do another section on what makes a projected surface work or not work in this case, but it's just big enough to cover the area that the projected 2D sketch goes to, but not so big that it overruns the selected faces. So it has to be inside of the selected faces but outside of the projected curves. Once again, picking the geodesic center point, so we have a successful projection. And that's what's new for 2016 in Boss Wrap.